So today we are doing something I've been waiting for a long time. We're working on one of these fuckers, guys. Sabik's downpipe. What is that actually?
The adapter I was talking about.
So I had a video, but I was gonna put up last Monday, but the mic took a shit. But I fixed it, and we're here now to do Sabik's downpipe. Yeah. Now we're gonna finish this.
Well, Nora's at work, so I don't have anything to go on my phone for. Don't put that on my phone.
Well, I'm putting this in there because you yelled at me for not filming, and I film it, and now you're being a bitch. So go ahead, open this.
Okay, it's PLM. It's like private label motoring, manufacturing. I got it from someone off eBay, but it's not an eBay part. So
It's an eBay part. Oh, and explain what this little box is.
I don't know what it is.
Not you, him.
okay, well, I don't have a cat back. Well, I have a cat back. It's a stock cat back, and so that's 2.5 inches. This is 3 inches, so I need an adapter to make that fit, and that's what that is.
Yeah, so basically to go from the bigger pipe, how big is that? 3 inches?
This is 3.
Yeah, go from the 3 inch to the 2.75 or 2.5? 2.5 stock one, he needs this. So that's why he has that. But hey, pipes.
There's a cat.
So, do you know which is which?
Yeah. J-pipe, downpipe,
J-pipe.
whatever.
Yeah.
Next to the turbo, and then that's like an intermediate pipe.
So after you take off the plastic cladding or whatever that's under the car, you're gonna be exposed to this guy over here. So this is your manifold. This is your cat right here. So these two little bolts right here, there's 4 total on the little flange. These two are gonna be the easiest to take off. So what we're gonna do is, Sabik said that at Subaru they put brake fluid on it to kind of penetrate the stuff to get it loose. So we're gonna do that and then try to break these loose.
Yeah, oh, that's gonna be a bitch to get to.
More of a bitch than my test pipes.
No, well maybe. There's like actually no way to get there.
That's what a man's like when he's working on his stuff. Alright. I don't know what we're gonna do when you have your car and we're filming something for your car and you have to be the star of the video because you don't speak ever. Alright, what happened?
Well these are still really stuck. So we're trying to take this bracket here, which goes across there. Trying to take that off, take the O2 sensors off.
Oh, once that fucks the beacon, he's gonna just break these bolts down here. You get it?
I think I need a 14.
I also need a 14.
Well, one of you can use a ratchet, one of you can use the wrench.
Me, because I'm going to get it off.
Oh, look at you. Oh!
But a 14 would still fit. Like it's not sliding over it. Okay, there we go. Now which way do I turn it?
So if you're facing, if you're looking at it downwards, you have to push towards the back of the car. This is pure finger strength.
Fuck.
So you can explain what we did.
I broke the fuck out of that bolt. And now I'm taking it out.
Made that bolt his bitch.
Oh, I'm a fucking idiot. I just tightened it back up.
I think if you get a socket and like a deep socket and maybe a small extension.
This right here needs to come out.
Yeah, so just get it a ratchet, and I think a deep socket would be long enough.
But you can't. Oh, if you pull it straight from the bottom?
Yeah, if you come from the bottom and do it. So that bolt that we were just talking about is a 12, not a 14. So the top one, the other one you get is a 14, the one right there, and then the
deep socket.
other one right here, you can kind of see here. Right there, that's a 12. So yeah, the deep socket with just a ratchet works, so he's gonna do that now. Do I have light or do I need it?
This is it, right?
No.
This is it.
Just kidding, yes it is.
up my hand so bad.
You have to push up. You got it though.
You did get it.
Good job, Dad. So now Sabik's undoing the second O2 sensor. It's connected to the bracket. And this clip was green, right?
Yeah. Dude, are you still filming?
Yeah.
Oh.
Filming your ear.
Stop.
I'm filming to put in the mic in.
Can you stop?
Stop.
Yeah, I filmed it.
Like,
No, actually.
It's from the top, yeah, you have to pull.
No, it's going right. Because if you're from the top and you pull this way, you're on this way.
No, you pull towards the front of the car.
yeah. You do pull towards the
The
front
way
of
I
the
had it
car.
mounted, you
Danny,
pull.
move your fucking leg.
Yeah, fuck you. Who was that for? Donnie's exhaust. God, fuck.
What's your passcode? Sounds good. That's good enough, right?
Ah! We broke it! Yeah! Yeah, I broke it just off camera. But yeah, so we got it now, and now I'm just kind of ticking around.
So now we're working on taking the flange off of the turbo for like the stock cat, and Owen broke one of the bolts. But our dilemma is that we cannot fit like a deep socket in there to use a breaker bar, and we're not finding any like smaller sockets that have a 1/2-inch drive so that we can put the what do you call it, the breaker bar on it. So now we're just trying to use our strength. Sorry. So we got room to do that, and now we're gonna.
Still doesn't fucking fit.
God damn it! I'm like moving sideways. I don't know where straight.
Pull straight. Right there. Push straight.
Set off in it.
Yeah.
Just go. Holy shit, you kicked it way up there.
Go!
Dude, you see that part of the ground smoking?
Yeah, that's the fucking shit.
Yeah, why not?
So after trying to hammer in the heat shields for the cat, it wasn't working, so we got went to AutoZone and we bought like not a deep socket, but like a little bit in between a regular socket and a deep socket for 14. So we're gonna try that and see if it works. So let's hope it does.
Where Gucci?
Yeah, so we went and got a. I already explained that shit. You were paying attention.
Looks like it's turning.
Got it? No, it's not.
Oh shit.
Got it? Fuck yes.
Fuck Subaru.
One eternity later.
So Owen the fucking man got it, bro. You're a bitch. I'm a bitch. His dick is huge. So once Owen gets the fucking everything out, he'll explain how he fucking did it.
Extensions. And then a swivel on the end. And
So-
the swivel makes it where you can come down. And then you just kind of go at an angle.
So you went like the long ways.
Yeah.
It's honestly been like 2 hours since I've like touched the camera. Like it's been so fucking long. We've been fighting off yellow flies and like a bunch.
Oh yes, they are.
They are yellow flies. We've been fighting off yellow flies, just waiting for something to happen. We're like, fuck it, we're gonna take a break. No, walk out. Owen did it. Whipped his dick out on the fucking table. It was fucking 14 inches.
It's been 5 hours, and
That pipe isn't even out after 5 hours. So, love that. So now Sabik and Owen are down there, taking off the exhaust from one of the pipes so that we can wiggle out the downpipe and stuff. So now we're just putting on the O2 sensors to the J pipe. We put anti-seize on them so that future, if you want to take them out, they're not a bitch. Which the factory should do it, fuck Subaru. Yeah, so these two pipes right here, just straight pipe everything. Taking out all these cats, mufflers, and resonators. So it's essentially just gonna be like a straight pipe, which I think he's gonna need to add like a resonator or muffler, but it's up to him.
if anything, I'll just put my stock mufflers back on.
Yeah. All right, so now we're gonna go put it in the car.
Ow.
Wait, no, he has to disconnect one more brace.
Right.
So we're gonna go do that.
Boost.
And boost dig. So what do you have to do?
Okay, there's a little pill in this vacuum hose. So if you go under, it's basically where the downpipe connects just to the passenger side of this thing.
Turbo?
Right. No. Well, yeah, it is the turbo. So there's this T connection, and then there's one that comes off on the T, and it's braided. This here. You don't really need to take the whole thing off if you take it off from the T, and then if you want to try for the camera, if you look through, do you see that little metal piece in there?
It's too small to fucking focus. Hold on.
I mean, once we get it out, you'll see it.
Oh yeah, hold. Show them.
Yeah.
Take it out.
There's a little metal pill in there, and it and it. I don't know if it
restricts airflow from the turbo, so that we take that off since we have the new downpipe, so that you don't overboost and stuff.
I don't know if it's overboost or underboost, but yeah.
Underboost.
It is. No, it is overboost. I think.
So you don't overboost. So I'll show you the pill what it looks like when it's all out.
So what I'm doing is I'm just pinching it little by little right behind where the pill is and wiggling it so it comes out. Oh, it's almost out. Until you get it out. And you just don't want to squeeze the hose too hard or else it'll like pop.
Break.
So now that that's all out, it is downpipe time.
Alright, so we're finally done with everything. Everything's back on. The car's back on the ground, as you can see. Sabik's changing his map on his access port right now to for the what he has. I'm gonna overlay the clips right now, before and after, and so you guys can hear the difference. So Sabik only has a nameless muffler delete. So I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like right now with the muffler delete, and then I'll show you guys after. Let it idle for a second. Loud.
Can I rev it?
Well, yeah, warm it up. I don't care, but you can rev it. Just let it warm up.
Yeah, I know. I'll let it sit for a bit. God damn.
What? That is so loud, dude.
That would hurt my ears from in there.
I gotta. Oh god. You have to hear it from right here, dude. It is fucking crazy. The turbo is so loud.
Someone's gonna get mad.
Holy shit!
We have to go drive it.
Oh my! Get it!
Alright, we're gonna go drive it right now. Go ahead. Fuck this car.
Holy shit!
Back road, if you want.
Oh my god! Every time.
What? That's not a burble tune. That's no burble tune or anything. Well, his stage 2 tune, but that's not a burble tune. That's just him. It's fucking crazy. I'm gonna finish it. Shut up now! I'm gonna finish it. I'm gonna finish this clip tomorrow or the next day. A different day so you guys can hear in the daytime, and I'll film drive-bys and stuff. So I'll see you guys then.